Yes, sehlane labo ke amantombazana like labona ngaphambilini bazasitshatshe leminyaka yakho emingaki wena ungubani?
Patricia Dube, 21.
Sithole Nkosi, 25.
Nalayide Nkomo, 17.
Ngiyalibona lapha ngama farmers liyalima ke lisitshela ukuthi lilimani.
Okay, lapha silima umumbu, indumba, maybe lizazi indumba zekhaya omaqutha. And then silima lotshani benkomo ngoba sile nkomo lapha ekhaya sizifidayo. So siya make sure ukuthi instead of ukuthi siyethenga stock feed lokudla kwenkomo, kungcono ukuthi sizilimele ukudla sizifide la.
Lo mumbu lapha siyalima konke umumbu. Nxa sesifuna impuphu ukugayisa asihlupheki. Siyagayisa umumbu siwudle ezimpuphu, then amahlanga akhona nxa singaqeda lapha engawoma siyanika inkomo azahambe egrind ukuthi inkomo sikwanise ukuwadla. Asitshoni sithenga ukudla kwenkomo futhi ukuthi inkomo sidle.
Ufundise mbani bancane ngake into zefamily?
Silo aunt, Mrs. Sithole, umankonje. Njengo auntie ngiyosiphekezela emendweni, auntie sonke siyakwazi esiNdebeleni. So ufuna ukusifundisa yonke into yena ayazi. So she grooms us. Qale kunzima, but well, now we are liking it because bit by bit we are getting used.
Yeah, ngaphandle ka auntie futhi siyafunda esikolo. Wow, safunda esikolo mina resimpalili O-level, and then I got 7 subjects, 7 O's, of which agriculture is one of them. Yabona, and auntie nxa esifundisa khonapho uyasifundisa ukulima, siyalima khonapho ngu-auntie wonke yena uyabesifundisa. At first kwakunzima, sikubona kunzima nje ukulima njengamanye amankazana nje, obviously vele kunzima ukulima. Lingaze libone obaba lapha belima, it's very hard, kunzima but hey, kodwa anyway kare sesiku-enjoy. Yeah, sesikwazi.
Yeah, abasayizeni eziningi kunje siyazibona ziyanatha edrobheni zuma drugs. Bagijima labafana balale ema night club. Gini ke?
I think mina that thing I wouldn't judge them ukuthi maybe they are fools and all that, but I will pass a word of advice ukuthi they should wake up, because that thing I think is better ukuthi uyenze, but ubekwazi the outcome of it at the end of the day.
Bagcinwe ngofile.
Exactly. So it's better ukuthi maybe ngisound as if I'm funny here ngihlakula, and then there's no problem with driving, drinking and all that, but at the end of the day making ukuthi ngibe safe.
Ungathathi drug.
Exactly.
Kukhona okunye lokwenzayo lo esitshela ukuthi uqeda ukufunda esikolweni wena kuyini okwenza kathesi lawe ngapha?
Mina currently ngathi ngiyadinga umsebenzi but kuma supermarkets, because ngiyabuya lapha part time ngeweekend ngifike ngisebenze. I'm helping obhuda abasebenza lapha ukuthi make sure everything abayenzayo into ekhulunywa ngusisi that side. And then the reason why ngidinga umsebenzi is not because maybe sengifuna umsebenzi wokusekla. No, I'm saving imali yami because I want to do a degree. Ngicomplete A level yami 2017.
Uswele imali kuyaphambili.
Yes.
Wena ke wenzani?
Well, mina ngingu makeup artist. I do makeups for short films. Sike saba lenye othangu Jane the Ghost ephumula. So I've been doing makeup yakhona, the blood, the ghost, wardrobe, yeah, izinto ezinjalo. And then for my project we are trying to raise imali. We've got a project, script ready, but asilama sponsors kuthiwa igolide lami. So sizama ukuthi ngoJane the Ghost sibesenza ama-short episodes, then abantu bebebukela siyenze lama-stage plays to raise some money for our project.
Ungachiya ke contact number yakho in case lo mnye ufuna wenza makeup lo ufuna kusiza lawe, chi number zakho.
Alright, no problem. Siyabona.
Ungayichi number kuba kulalele.
078 659 8645. Patricia is the name.
Lala bafuna ukuchata abalomaphathi abafuna ukwenza makeup uyabenza.
Yes, makeup, nails, hairdos, you are covered.
Okay, mine is 0785 15 30 36. Sithole Nkosi. It's always on.